that one out.
Well, we got to go. I know. Yeah, let's go over here. Because here's where we usually do these things.
Why do they call them skins?
No, these things here. Okay, ready? Actually, let's go to our main fireworks place.
What's the main fireworks?
Honey, this is where we have the fireworks. Really? No.
One.
These aren't very big, honey.
How are they? No.
Honey, they're just not.
They're small.
Those are small. Now watch these good ones here.
What's good ones?
I'll show you the difference. Okay, those are not very good. These are better. We're going to go get some even better ones. Watch this. Oh. Look how much more smoke that is, honey. Oh, it is bigger. Don't you think that's a whole lot bigger?
I'll put it in your pocket.
Okay.
Okay, get in your pocket.
Honey, this is like 10 times more bigger.
What's 10 times?
In fact, these actually are really not very good at all.
I have a question.
What's your question? Now watch this. Let's come over here.
And then let's do this one next. The one that I'm holding, let's do this one next.
Okay, well hold on. What about the smoke bombs? I want to show you a big smoke bomb.
They can make a big fatter smoke bomb.
I think I can make it fatter.
That!
Hold on, honey. We got to come over here.
And then let's do this one.
Then we'll have that one after this big smoke bomb. Hold on.
That one?
Fat one. Well, that's about all I can get for fat. Hold on. Poof, poof.
They're mixing together.
They are mixing together.
You see them?
Okay, so this is a little windy, and it is going to rain again.
Is it going to handle the same thing?
There they goes, all three.
After that one comes this one.
Okay, let's come
I'm
up.
going to hold it.
No, you're not going to hold it. I'm going to hold that one, because we got to run on this one. I hold it. Don't run all the way back to the car. Just run a few feet.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Well, honey, that's way too far. There you go. There you go.
Oh!
How about let's just get rid of all of these smoke bombs?
Why?
Because they're no good, honey. I don't think they're very fun when they're not good.
I like them still.
Okay.
Because they make lots of smoke. They're still really good.
Okay, well, here we go. Hold on. Well, listen to our owl.
What happened to that one?
What happened to which one?
That one? The white one?
Well, there are three.
Look, that cover popped off.
Well, it just popped off a little bit.
Why?
Because that's what they do sometimes. But look, honey, that's not much smoke. Let me show you the other one. Look, even the bag is thicker on this one.
What?
Now watch, you can't tell me that you look, honey, this is totally different. Look, totally different. Look how much more smoke this has.
Are you going to hold it or no?
No, this one I usually throw.
Why?
Because it goes faster. See how much faster that goes?
You just hold it.
Look at that, honey. Look how much smoke that one has. You see how that one's a lot bigger? That one's bigger than the other one.
I'll get.
Honey, where you? Where
This one next.
No. Okay, we'll have. Well, okay. Here. Okay.
I always get ones that we do next.
Okay. Well, that's true.
Why did you say true?
Honey, because that's right. You always get the ones next.
I don't open.
No.
I want to open.
Okay. Then you go over there and you stand on that line.
Why for the other bottle?
Okay, honey, because we just usually leave them here and I pick them all up at once. Go stand way over there on that line. Not that line, the next line. We'll stand in the middle. Go over to the grass, at least to the grass.
Right here?
A little more. A little more further.
No, I just want to stay right here.
Honey, go over to the grass. A little bit. Okay, right there.
Why do you have to run?
You have to run.
That whole thing can pop?
Yes.
That whole thing can go out of the bottle?
Yes,
Cool.
it sure can.
It can pop out of the whole thing. Let me see the bottle. Whoa, it can stick out of the bottle.
Go run over to the grass.
The whole thing can pop out on its own?
Yes, it can. This is the next one, then we'll have the poppets.
Pop it! Pop it!
Okay, this is the very next one.
I don't want it. I don't want to be mad.
Okay, this is the next one.
What can pop out of?
Well, it'll be okay.
What? Can I just go this way?
Whoa!
That almost caught me. Almost did.
Ah.
I had a question on this one. I'm too dumb. No, stop it. Why do I not?
You gotta throw them harder, I think.
Like you didn't? No, those are for me.
Oh,
Next.
okay, these are for you.
Next.
I'll just hold them.
Okay, don't.
Whoa!
I can make a big fat one. What's that? It says for sissy. Done.
Yes?
What are you doing?
Well, honey, if you're not gonna pop them, you're just gonna... Then I'm gonna pop them.
No! No, Daddy,
Oh,
no!
look, you dropped some over there. Look, you dropped... Right there, honey, you dropped it.
I know. No, I need some more.
Now, here's some more. Why are you putting them all in the water, honey?
This, because this.
They do not work anymore in the water, but I guess they're yours. You can do that.
It popped in my hand.
I know, it sure does.
Dad, that's too big.
Am I too big?
Yeah.
Am I too big?
Yeah. You're way too big for that bike.
You want to put you on the wagon? After you pop those?
Did I almost get you?
Almost.
No.
Oh. Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go. Oops. Oops, that's...
No.
No.
likes this home.
Oh, okay. That's a duck home?
Yep. Yeah, they don't have to move up. Now I have to put a lock. Is that white black thing comes from? I don't know.
You need to remember, we got to make Mama's card tonight. So we're going to make that card. I'm going to mail it from work. It has to dry. Unless you want to use markers. You want me to pull you in the wagon?
Oh, in a minute. That's when I do. No smoke bombs. Dad. Did you do all the smoke bombs?
Yes, honey. That's because I knew you were going with Mama a long way. So we just went ahead and got rid of them.
With what?
Honey, we used them up. Do you want me to pull you in the wagon?
Yeah.
Okay, come get in the wagon.
First, I have to put the duck in.
Here we go.
I can jump in.
Oh, they get, okay. They
You
get,
want to see the horses?
yes.